Welcome to the pre-portal for 21 Kinnear Street in Buckhaven. This is an immaculate move-in condition 3-bedroom terraced family home. This is a stunning property. It's a great location as well, and I cannot wait to take you on the tour. I'm just going to flip the camera. So as you can see, the property is just here. This is your entrance. You also have off-street private parking as well, but it is immaculate, this property. I love the way that it's decorated internally, and actually even the curb appeal approach is great. I love the way that they've got this quite neutral, but really nicely done. And as you can see, the finish, even with the doors, you're going to be impressed with this one. So we're going to head on in. So we come into the entrance porch. So as soon as we come into the entrance porch, we're going to head on upstairs. So upstairs we have 3 bedrooms and you've got your shower room. It's lovely and neutral throughout, but really immaculately done. So we're going to start with bedroom number 1. So you've got a really good sized double in here. As you can see, lovely and bright, isn't it? So it's a really nice space, and actually some of the properties where the seating area is have actually put either walk-in wardrobes or in fact an ensuite shower room. It's a really nice size. And if I head over here, you can just see how bright it is with that lovely big window. You can just see the sheer length of the space you're getting. It's so bright with the sunshine, you may not. And that's bedroom number 1. So we come out into the hallway. I'm going to head into bedroom number 2. So again, a really nice size double, currently utilised as a home office and guest room. But you can see from this sofa bed, you're easily getting a double bed in here. Nice big windows again. Lovely and bright. It keeps getting distorted just because it's so lovely and bright. But isn't it nice? That is bedroom number 2. Straight ahead, we've also got really great storage space and your access to your attic hatches in there as well. Bedroom number 3, straight ahead. So currently utilised as a dressing room. This is all freestanding furnishing, so you can see it's quite big. So you could easily get a single bed in here. Lots of hanging storage space. You've also got inbuilt cupboards here as well. Overlooks the rear, so nice and quiet. Goes all the way around the corner of the door. It's a good sized double. Could make a home office if you want to free up that bedroom. Keep it as a dressing room if you wish. Great as a nursery, in fact. And then that's the centre hallway. So again, you can just see how lovely and bright everything is. Then here, just off to the left, is your shower room. Recently been renovated. So again, you've got your corner shower with your thermostatic controls. You've got your inset WC and also your inset wash hand basin. But it's a lovely finish, isn't it? Really nice room. Now we're going to head on downstairs, but again, all the woodwork's really lovely, isn't it? And you can see as we come down just how bright it is. You've got that detailing with the front door as well. Isn't that lovely? Then we're going to head on into the lounge. Again, you've got this beautiful doors throughout here as well. This is a great space. So this has been extended, this property. You've got this lovely lounge space. Goes all the way up to the top. It's a great space. This is actually big sofas. And you can see that you've clearly got enough room. So it's a great family room. You've got plenty of space there for your corner TV, etc. This area here could be your dining area. You could have it further up, but actually you could also put a home office in this area. The owners have done that previously. You can see you've got plenty of room to do that. It's a really nice part of the room. In here, the bonus, you've got this utility room, which I think is fab. So lots of additional storage. You've got your sink in here as well. You've got your appliances, your white goods, your washer dryer, plenty of space for those. But it's great as a boot room as well. And you've got a WC off of here. So again, you've got your WC and your wash hand basin, which is a fab addition if you've got a family. If they've been out playing in the park and they're just running in, dropping their boots at the door and heading on through here. Really nice use of the space. But it's really open, isn't it? Lovely and bright. But the kitchen is just stunning, I think. Love the colour. Nice and cream. Even the worktop's a nice colour. So really nice sized kitchen. You've got plenty of space for your freestanding American fridge freezer. This is actually a pull-out larder cupboard as well, which are just fabulous if you're a cook. But a nice sized kitchen. You've got your freestanding range as well. You've got your integrated hob. You've also got an integrated dishwasher, which is just here. Overlooks the rear garden. But isn't it nice? Lovely and neutral, isn't it? But a really good space. If I stand here, you can see just how far down it goes into the lounge. It's a great extension they've put onto the back of the property. So again, we're going to head out into the garden. So we've got this lovely enclosed garden. Very low maintenance, as you can see, but if you've got a family, young children, this is a great safe space to play. So nice and quiet. You've also got a rear gate here as well, which gives you access to the back lane for taking your bins, etc. as well. It's handy. Isn't it nice? And you can see here just how lovely that extension's been done. Property looks fantastic. So this is a personal property tour for 21 Kinnear Street in Buckhaven. I think you'll agree it's an immaculate 3-bedroom terrace property, fantastic family home in a great location as well. Location wise, you're literally right across the road from Buckhaven Community Centre. You're about a 2 or 3 minute walk, you're at Buckhaven Primary School, so if you've got a young family it's ideal for that. But actually you've got a great choice as well as far as the train links are concerned. You're pretty much equidistant, so maybe 7 or 8 minutes you're at Cameron Bridge train station, or you head down to Leven train station, which is going to take you to Edinburgh, Dundee and beyond. So really good commuter links as well. But actually Leven is only, as I say, 7-8 minutes away. You've got the high street, you've got the swimming pool, you've got the promenade, you've got the beaches, you've got the golf courses. But in the high street as well, you've got all these great restaurants, bars, you've got tapas bar opening soon, you've got bakers, you've got really everything on your doorstep that you could need. But actually, where we are just now in Buckhaven as well, you're a few minutes walk and you're down to Buckhaven Beach. Not only have you got the beach there, you're right on the Fife Coastal Path, so you've got all those lovely walks along the coastal path as well. So it really is in a fabulous location. This is a personal property tour. If it's of interest to you, you can message me here directly, and likewise you can contact the team on 01333 421 774, and it's Perry at Fife Properties TV. Take care, bye bye.